Houston, we have a problem.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
So I've been noticing that between 9:30 and 12 p.m. every day, the whole solar system just started shutting down. I even had one day where I lost power for the whole day because the batteries didn't get charged enough. So let's take a look at what might be happening. So here we can see that there's about 75% of the panel being covered with shade from this tree over here. At first I didn't think it was a big deal, and but I started doing some reading, and if you look at this chart right here, it tells you that if one panel out of your entire series is covered, basically if 50% of that panel is covered, that means all the rest of the panels in your series will only operate at 50%. When you do get a panel that's half shaded or all the way shaded, it's what is known as a bottleneck. So it's going to slow down the whole system. Like I said, I was losing maybe 2.5 hours of charging. Unfortunately, there's going to be a casualty, and it's going to be the tree. I'm going to try to save as much of it as I can, but bigger priority, more important, is to have electricity to the house. Not only just to have lighting and to do regular things, but my work depends on it, the internet, my computer, to be able to work remotely. My job relies on the electricity. Well, there she is, boys and girls. Oh, the tree does not look good. So the main culprit left is this guy. Yeah, and he's making a big difference. He's probably gonna have to get chopped off right there. And then these guys will be producing at full power. All right, guys, it's the day after the tree cut. And it's 10 o'clock. By 10 o'clock every day, my solar system would shut down. So let's take a look at the solar system now. Flashing green light means we're charging, cranking away. We're at 2.6 amps, 253 volts. So we're doing good. Charge is already up to 53.8, which is that's about 90%. So that's totally good. But let's take a look. By now, at 9:30, it's 10 o'clock now, but by 9:30, that first panel would be shaded by our lovely tree. And I'm a little leery of one thing, and I'm looking at that guy right there. That shadow looks a little tall, and I'm thinking as the sun continues to move across, it's probably going to catch a piece of that solar panel right there. So, and I think the culprit is that guy up there, which we'll have to take down. And then later today, probably won't show it on video, but we're going to shape all this up, pull out this old wood, and get it looking nice. So we're going to keep an eye on this, but great news is that the solar system is up and running at full speed, and we've pretty much solved our problem. Unfortunately, there's a casualty in the problem. If you guys are having this problem out there, take a look at your solar panel throughout the day. If you notice, like, all of a sudden it just loses charge, even one panel out of your whole series gets covered, it's considered a bottleneck. So, and it'll definitely slow down your charge on your solar system, or even shut it down altogether. So something to watch out for. We're going to get that little culprit a little bit later, but 10 o'clock and we're still cruising. Usually it's, like I said, it's dead by 9:30. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.